what do we expect premiums to be compared to now? In the small group market, they'll tell you between 20 and 40% more than what they are today. And so if I have to take an average, but we'll talk a little bit more specifically about how you know for your company. And then a couple things to note is that depending on which insurance company you're with, a composite rate may have to go away. So if you have, for example, if you have a plan where every employee that you hire is $280 that's what their total monthly premium is. If you're under 50, depending on the insurance company, you go with every age band will have to have a different rate. There's no such thing as a 12-month rate guarantee in the small group marketplace in 2014 and beyond. So your rates, based on the age of your employees, will change throughout the year. Coventry, for example, says that if you have a family of 5 and the 3 kids are 20, 22, and 24, for example, then you'll have 5 rate changes for that one family in the middle of the year, because every age band of an adult has to change on their birthday. So every carrier is doing that a little differently. So since every carrier is different, knowing how that impacts your payroll and how you contribute towards benefits, there's some things you can do to help limit the number of changes you might have to make during the year as an employer. But note that that's part of modified community rating, as the government sets the table. January 1st, we'll know a small employer's rate whether they choose to purchase something in December or January 1st. So they set the rate for the entire year. A couple other changes. The law says that the maximum deductible a small employer can have is $2,000 for an individual, $4,000 for a family. Now, we know that all the insurance companies are actually filing plans in the small group market with higher deductibles than that and expect them to be approved. So whether it's an exemption or waiver, there's still a provision in the law that says you as an employer, the most you can have as a deductible is $2,000. So if you have a higher deductible than that, you may be forced to purchase a plan that is more expensive than what you have now. We'll have more updates on that as we know for sure, probably October 1st. And then some benefits are actually going to be richer. Also increases the premium when you add benefits to the policies. So.